right, so you have, okay, so and I just dropped it, wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Today I'm a little sleepy right now. It's like 3 o'clock and I got off work a couple hours ago and I'm just kind of sleepy. But I'm also excited because I got this month's Ipsy bag. So usually I do the BoxyCharm and Ipsy unboxings at the same time in the same video, but because last month was really crazy with when I got my subscriptions, I was not sure if that was going to carry into this month as well, so I just decided to do 2 separate videos. I filmed one last week when I got my BoxyCharm, and then I finally just got the Ipsy as well. So today we are just going to be doing the Ipsy bag. However, I will link this month's BoxyCharm video in this video as well, so you can see both of them if you would like to. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing the May 2022, what year is it? Yeah. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing the May 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag, which we have right here. There's going to be 2 portions of this video. The first part is going to be the unboxing of the actual bag. We're going to go over the products, what I got, and the prices, as well as like ingredients and anything special that we may need to know about that. And then the second part of this video is going to be the try-on portion, where I sit down and I use the products that I get in this bag for my makeup today. If you don't know what the Ipsy Glam Bag is, I do have another video where I kind of explain how both subscriptions work that you can go ahead and watch. I will link that in the comments below as well. So let's just skip all that and get right into it. Ooh, this month's bag is pretty. Okay, so this is what this month's bag looks like. It's a really pretty pink and purple and white floral bag. Very springtime / summertime, very Mother's Day-esque, even though Mother's Day, was Mother's Day last month? No, it was this month. It was earlier this month. When was it? What is today? I don't know. Okay, let's see what the first product in here is. I want to do this little one down here on the bottom. Ooh. May 2020's theme for Ipsy is going to be Wild Beauty. This month, delight in all the things that make you feel alive. A fresh mani, botanical skincare, going barefoot in the grass, and let your imagination run wild. Alright, that's fun. So this is what this looks like. This is the Dragoon? I don't remember how Nikita pronounces this. I don't know if it's dragon or Dragoon Beauty. The Dragon Glass Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dragon Blood. Oh my gosh, this packaging is so cool. I love how you have, first of all, it's shaped like a crystal. That's really interesting, really cool. And then I love how you have the color right here with the Dragon Beauty, the name of the brand here. I'm not sure what this says on the back. I want to assume that this says Dragon Beauty, but I'm not really sure. And then you have like the frosted crystal tip as well. Let's see what this looks like. And then you have just a standard doe foot applicator that has a little bit of a point on the tip. It doesn't smell like anything special right off the bat. It just smells like normal liquid lipstick, so that's really cool. I have not tried any of Nikita's products yet, so I'm excited to try this, and I love red lipstick, so this is gonna be, I feel like this is a good product to start with, probably. Second product that we have is, the next product that we have in today's box is going to be the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner. It says it's with green tea and white tea extract. This product says that it protects against free radicals, it leaves skins revitalized, and improves skin's barrier. Interesting. I love the teal packaging. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it smells like. So it doesn't really have a smell. So I'm not sure if it's fragrance free, but it doesn't really have a smell, which I kind of like. I don't really like when things have too much of a smell. I have really sensitive skin, so anything that's like heavily fragranced is not the best for me. Let's see what this next guy is. Let's do this one. All right, so it looks like this brand is called Insert Name Here. And this is the Super Shine Serum. It's supposed to hydrate, add shine, and nourish. I love the packaging, it's super cute. I love how it's all white and then you just have like that gradient from like a seafoam tealish color to a light pink. That's really pretty. Very spring, very summertime. Also doesn't really have a smell, so that's cool. So I guess for the try on, I will use the toner and then the serum, and then I'll give it some time to dry before I go in with my normal primers. So I've kind of put a little disclaimer in other videos about this, but whenever I get skincare products, I can't really give you like a full opinion on them just because skincare products usually do take like at least like a couple of weeks of using them however they're supposed to, whether that's every day or every couple of days or whatever, before you really know what it, like how well it performs and if you like it or not. So I'll do a first impressions in the try on, but I'm probably not going to know exactly how I feel about these products until a week or two in of using them. So, all right, we should have 2 more products left. Let's get in here. What is this guy? This is the Aceology Rose Quartz Gua Sha Facial Massager. I've seen these before and I honestly don't really know, like this. So what these are supposed to be used for is you're supposed to use like this little angle and you're supposed to use this along your jawline. And it's supposed to help, like over time, it's supposed to help like give you more of like a sharp jaw. But I honestly don't know how well these work. I don't think that there really is anything that can actually change the shape of your face. That's not like surgery or fillers or something like that. So I'm excited to try it because I have seen these be talked about everywhere for like a few years at this point and I've never tried them myself. So I will go ahead and give it a try, but again, this is one of those things that I'm not gonna know if I like doing this or not until I've used this for a little bit. And I do believe that these take this takes a little bit of time before you see any results. I feel like I've heard like in between 1 and 3 months type of thing. I could be wrong, I'm not really sure, but I might go ahead and do a follow-up video about this on TikTok and Instagram. So if you're interested in my opinion on this guy, keep an eye out for that on my TikTok and my Instagram. I will post it at some point, probably, So we do have 1 more product in here. We usually have 5 in the glam bag, so let's see what this guy is. So this is the Be Seen Weightless Liquid Lipstick in the shade All In. Okay, so this is a really cute packaging. It's like a nude, it's like a tannish cream nude type of lid that does feel like it's plastic, and then you have like the acrylic clear like the body of the lipstick, and then you can see through it and you can see that this is a really pretty pinky nude color. And this one also does not really have a smell, it just kind of smells like normal lipstick. But on the packaging right here, it does say beauty for real, which is kind of cute. One thing that I do want to mention is these little inserts that Ipsy gives us aren't really useful in any way. They do have QR codes on them to like kind of help get you inspired for this month's bag, but I do prefer that the product information would be on here like how it is in BoxyCharm, because for Ipsy, you do have to log onto your Ipsy account and then you can kind of see the products that you have and the prices and all the information on here. So you do have to look online for this. So that's just one little note that I have about Ipsy versus BoxyCharm. However, that's not like the biggest deal. Like I can easily go on my phone and look this up if I want to. So let's get into the prices of these products real fast and then we can get into the try on portion of this video. So jumping right into the prices of all of these products, the first one that I have on my list right here on my account is going to be the Dr. Brandt Skincare, the Antioxidant Spray Toner. This guy retails for $35. It says it is 100 milliliters. This is a full size and it is a toner. What it says it does is refresh and reset your skin post-cleanse with the spray toner. It hydrates and balances skin while helping to protect it from free radical damage with a blend of antioxidant-rich greens and white teas. How to use it. Hold the bottle 6 inches from your skin and then close your eyes and mist over an even layer all over your face. Follow with your favorite serum and moisturizer. Reasons why you'll love it. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Awesome. So Dr. Brandt is, or at least this product specifically, is vegan and cruelty-free, so that is a plus. Let's move on to the next product. The next product on my list here, it does have the clean beauty symbol right off the bat. This is the Beauty for Real Be Seen Weightless Liquid Lipstick. The shade that I have is All In. This retails for $21. It is 4 milliliters. It is a full-size liquid lipstick. It says, enjoy soft conditioned lips with this weightless lipstick that includes antioxidants and essential oils to keep your lips healthy and nourished. You'll love the mauve pink hue. And then it says how to use it. Give your lips a mauve pink shine in one easy swipe using the unique rounded applicator, or dip multiple times and layer it on for a full glossy finish. More reasons why you'll love it. It says it is cruelty-free and vegan, which is awesome. So 2 vegan and cruelty-free products, which is a really big plus. The third product that we have on this list is going to be, so I just realized that this is a hair serum. This is not a face serum. I am so used to getting like illuminating products that I thought this was a shine serum for my face. It's not. This is a super shine hair serum. So this guy retails for $22. It is 2 fluid ounces. This is a full-size hair serum. It says what it does. Smoothing flyaways and softening your strands has never been easier thanks to the Super Shine Serum. The lightweight formula uses a combo of sunflower seed, avocado, and passion fruit seed oils to give your hair brilliant shine without making it greasy or limp. It's vegan and cruelty-free and made with organic ingredients. Awesome. So we now have 3 products that are vegan and cruelty-free, so that is really exciting. Fourth product that we have in here on this list is this guy right here. This is the Aceology Rose Quartz Gua Sha Facial Massager in pink. So this says what it does. Rooted in ancient Chinese medicine, this facial massage tool helps ease tension and flush out the lymphatic drainage system to increase blood flow and circulation, both of which are essential for radiant, vibrant skin. Interesting. All right, so how to use it. Prep your skin with a light serum or oil, and using gentle pressure, push the tool in upward motions across your face, repeating each stroke 5 to 10 times. More reasons why you'll love it. This rose quartz tool is ethically sourced and handmade. Last product that we have on here is going to be the Dragon Beauty, the liquid lipstick, the glass matte liquid lipstick in Dragon Blood. This guy retails for $18. It is 4.5 grams. It is a full-size liquid lipstick. It says one swipe coats lips in high-impact vivid red color and a comfy matte finish that glides on smoothly and helps to stay put for hours without drying your lips. How to use it. Exfoliate lips first and then use the diamond-shaped applicator to apply the color to the middle of your lips, working your way out towards the edges as you go. More reasons why you'll love it. It's infused with a yummy vanilla scent that you'll love. Now that I'm actually smelling this part, it does have a light vanilla scent, which vanilla is one of my favorites. So, however, this guy doesn't say that it's cruelty-free or vegan. Oh, so on the box here, it does actually have the little bunny right here. So on the box, it does say that it's cruelty-free and vegan. They just didn't include it in the more reasons why you'll love it on the profile, which is, that's okay. It does say it on the box though. So technically all of these guys here are cruelty-free. The first product that I want to go ahead and try out real fast is going to be the insert name here, the Super Shine Serum for my hair. It does say to rub 2 to 3 pumps in the palm of your hand and apply this product from the ends, working your way up to the root of your hair. So as soon as I prime this pump, I can hear it. It's almost there. Oh my God, this hurts my hand. There we go, 1 and 2. So it is just going to be clear just like this. I'm going to rub it into my hands. Smells kind of good. And I'm gonna focus it down here on the ends of my hair. My ends are a little bit on the drier side. I do have really curly hair naturally, and I've been growing it out for a couple of years. And it's gotten so much healthier and like my curls have been brought back to life, but sometimes I feel like it can look a little bit dull. So having a product like this could be really nice. If you're anything like me, you're a little bit picky about how your products spray. I like a really nice fine mist rather than something that just kind of like squirts out at me. So I do want to see how this guy is. Crack the pump. Maybe. There we go. Ooh. Okay, it does feel like a really nice fine mist. Let's see. Ooh, okay. That feels like cooling almost. This does have a really nice fine mist, which I really do like. So if you are really picky about your sprays, this one seems pretty nice. I'm gonna have to do an update video on this guy. I honestly have a lot of skincare product updates that I need to do from the last couple of Ipsy bags and BoxyCharms. I might as well compile all of them together and make like a longer YouTube video. So if you want to see that video, if you want me to film that, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below if you'd be interested in kind of hearing, or like if you'd be interested in seeing a compilation of my thoughts on all these new skincare products that I've been trying over the last couple of months. And this year, honestly, like I've been trying a lot of new skincare since the beginning of this year in January. So I do have a lot of thoughts and opinions on quite a few products, some old, some new. So if you would like to see that, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know. Now that my makeup is all done and I have my lips lined, I want to go ahead and try the Beauty For Real, the Be Seen liquid lipstick, the really pretty like pinkish mauve color first, since this is a color that I would probably wear more often on like a daily basis, whereas the red one is really pretty, but I don't always want to do a red lipstick every single day. So this feels really lightweight. I feel like it's drying down pretty quickly, and this is a really pretty color. I really like this on my skin tone. Let me go ahead and take this guy off and reline my lips, and we'll try on the red one. All right, so last product is going to be the Dragon Beauty liquid lipstick. I also realized that this said that it was a glass matte liquid lipstick. Glass usually means shiny to me, in my opinion, but let's see how this one performs. This is a beautiful red color. Okay, I actually really love the color of this. This formula feels really lightweight, much like this one as well. Both of them feel really lightweight and really nice. Very comfortable. This one is taking a little bit more time to dry down. However, I don't feel like that's much of an issue because that's pretty common for liquid lipsticks. I really hope that you enjoyed watching me unbox the May 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag. If you like watching unboxings, or if you like makeup tutorials or anything that has to do basically beauty related, you should subscribe to my channel, and then you should also follow me on both TikTok and Instagram. I post other videos in between YouTube uploads on both of these socials right here, where I kind of talk about just like other beauty products, and I do tutorials and all of those like fun beauty things like that, especially like trending videos. All of those fun things I try to keep up with as much as I can on both of these guys right here. So make sure to follow me on these guys and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! I definitely feel like this look is giving me a little bit of like sassy bad bitch type vibes, and I kind of like it. I'm kind of here for it. Just red lip liner might be my favorite look. I'm just kidding.